Yo, what is going on, Lechon Legion? It's your boy back. Yo, what is going on, Lechon Legion? It's your boy Waddle back with a brand new video. Today we are doing something different. I promised you guys an IRL vlog for this Thursday. Well, it's when it's uploaded. When this is uploaded, I promised you guys an I told you guys I was gonna do an IRL video, and it was supposed to be with the baby boys, but the plans didn't really work out. Yes, she is both. She is both Dare. Yeah, she is Akira and Dare. But anyways, it was supposed to be Dare and Akira today, but now we are with Therese, and instead of going to round one, we are going to the San Mateo County Fair to just go see what's up. We gotta see what's going on. We're trying to bring home some big prizes, trying to eat some good food, and just have a great day today. You know, I'm a gamer. I Twitch stream. I'm not used to the sun. I don't know what the fuck we're doing outside. I can't.
Exercise.
I'm winded. I'm winded from doing an intro. Alright, so we didn't buy tickets online like we should have. And now there's just a long ass line. Pog!
Wait time.
Yes! Alright guys, so we finally got in, and now we with the homie. Hey yo, tap me up for the one time. Hey yo. Oh damn! Oh, it's so empty.
I know.
It's so empty. Butter.
Why is it a flag? That's kind of weird. Oh. Dude, were you aiming for me? What was that?
Shit's sick. Hey, we just walking a maze out here, bro.
Not gonna lie.
Bro, let's have an interview. How do you feel? Do you feel more less stressed? Do you
More stress.
Yo, what they do to the honey though? So there's no food and drink allowed in the farm.
But the animals are the food though. That's
true.
Yeah.
So are they not allowed?
Oh my god, chicken!
Oh, it's a turkey. That's. Oh my god, chicken! It's a turkey. What's good?
Hi, homie.
Yeah. Yo, this is my favorite animal. I don't know about you, but that's the homie right there. Oh, it's the homies. Oh my god. Yo, it's the boys. What's up? It's the members of the Lechon Legion, boys. Let's go. Hell yeah. I'll get you free eventually. I'll see you guys in the outside world. I'll see you guys. More homies of the Lechon Legion. What's good? That's Waddle L and that's Waddle Boba. I love you guys. Yo, it's the cast from iCarly. They were in the one episode with iCarly. Yo. Gotta drop these hot bars. Hey.
Okay.
Hey, Waddle on the street. Hey, yeah. Hey, Waddle on the street. Hey, you see me on the street and you know I got clout. I'm not a rapper. Or am I? Hey, oh, yeah. And we bringing it back for the one time. And we're bringing it back for my hot rhymes. And you know I spit fire. Dragon.
It's not?
Currently in line. We're gonna go ahead and get some turkey legs and some lemonade. It's a hot day. It's really
kind of sort of.
I live in my room. I am not used to being outside. The sun is my weakness.
Then again, hot is like 60 degrees for us.
I'm dog water. Yo.
Yeah.
Zero earnings. I'm bronze 1 in terms of outdoor life. Yo, chat, we just got scammed.
Chat?
Yo, guys, we got scammed, bro. We literally made it to the front of the line, And they ran out of turkey legs.
No more turkey legs.
They ran out of fucking turkey legs. I'm done, dude. We'll be back later though. Maybe, I don't know.
We'll miss it again later though.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we're currently waiting for the pig race to start, you know. Gotta represent the Lechon Legion, gotta turn up for their event. They're out here competing, they trained their ass off, and now they're ready to send it. They're grinding, they're ready to send it. So we gotta go and show some support. We're currently waiting, it starts in around like 15 minutes or so. So, see you guys then. Alright, so we scoot up a little bit. Now we like right in front. And we're about to send it.
Big fan cam.
Hell yeah. Copyright.
For Copa!
Let's go! Let's go, Copa, turn up!
3, 2, 1, go! And they're off! Oh my goodness,
Turn up, Copa!
Give it up for Sophie's head!
Oh, no. How do you feel? Copa second.
And that means the first and second place pick.
Copa took second pick.
Meet again.
Sourdough
The
walk
grand
back.
Let's go, let's go. Second place, baby. Second place, baby.
That's the one you
We
stick
take
around for. We're
those.
gonna be on the bell. There it is, and they're off. Oh my goodness, folks, it's out.
Let's go! Turn on up, Sloppy! Yeah! Let's go! Turn up, Sloppy! Let's go!
3, 2, 1, go! And they're off. Oh my goodness.
Come on, Sophie, let's go! Turn up, Sophie! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's fucking go! Let's go!
That makes you are.
Yo, Sophie dominated the competition, and we take those easy claps. You know, we got all the earnings, 100 million. They should sign. We need to sign Sophie to an org, dude. We need to sign Sophie to an org right now. All right, guys, it is round 2. Instead of lining up for that side like we did earlier, we are lining up for the one right next to it. If they don't have a turkey leg, I'm just gonna get barbecue because I am hungry. It is hot. And I'm just ready to chill for a little bit, and then we're gonna go hit the carnival. So let's go hope we get some food. Yo, we actually got a turkey leg. We waited in line. They lied, bro. Yeah, it was way shorter than last time. So we're about to just eat. We're just about to chill and recharge before we hit the arcade or the carnival, not the arcade. I devoured the turkey leg. I'm not happy. That shit was way too hard to finish. I ate way too much, and I'm ready for nap time. But on the bright side, hopefully we go win prizes and stuff and go ride rides and just see what the fuck happens. So let's get it, baby. We just caught ourselves the carnival card that we need to get on rides, to play some games, and to fucking win prizes. So we're gonna go do that shit. Y'all gonna come along with us. Let's have a great day, great rest of the day at the fair. Alright guys, so we're about to play this rigged bottle game. This game's like basically impossible to win.
Legit, no, it's true.
But you know what? We're here to have fun. We're here to toss rings and we're here to send it. We're about to send it. We're about to pop off and easy clap. Dude, that was close.
That's kind of close.
We're gonna sing one in. It's gonna be easy clappers. That was close as hell. Can we get a slow-mo on that?
Hey yo!
Oh my god! Let's go!
Poggers.
Let's go! Oh my god, let's go!
I think you got it, guys.
Oh.
Let's go! Pogs.
So we got a ring, we gotta put these rings around these ducks, and if we get just one, we win a prize. Easy clap. We only bought 2, we're chilling, we're chilling.
Sad, sad.
Well,
It's the win.
no, we're good. So we're about to play this break a bottle game. We get 2 baseballs and we have to hit both bottles. Well, we have to hit 2 bottles with 2 balls in order to win a prize. Let's see if we can win it.
Hey
guys, you wanna play break a bottle?
Oh, we gotta.
Tough.
One more game, one more game.
It'd be like that.
A pig just chilling while we go up. Hell yeah.
Going down, actually.
Going down, my bad. All right, guys, we are back sitting a little bit further from where we were eating the turkey leg. We got the fun. Oh my god, the funnel cake, and we got a new homie, part of the Lechon Legion. We got Waddle Sleep here. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and feast and just chill and just vibe out. All right, guys, we just finished the funnel cake. We just sat here just vibing in the shade. It's been a long day. It's been a hot day. We're definitely not used to this. Where we live, it's just complete fog. It's just complete cold. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I'm hoping to upload on YouTube way more often, way more consistently, especially since we're getting close to 100,000 followers on TikTok. So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Much love and peace.